Yeah. Usually extra hang low in this, but come on, Mom. So, give a cook. But at the same time, I don't want to look all saggish. Saggish. Hey you, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, no. Whoa. Whoa. Hey you, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I know, you're like, probably like, this bitch is just so extra every time. Every time I come on this bitch, like I got something added, an accessory, but I promise you it's not what it looks like. What? Okay, so I just did video, oh my god, I just did pictures, and this is a little accessory. I just kept it on because it's a vibe. It's not why we're here. Welcome to my channel, you guys. In this video, I'm going to be taking off using the Glow Recipe step-by-step kit. I've been had this for so long, like I totally forgot about it. I never actually forgot about it. It's actually been back there on my display because it's a pretty box and it kind of goes with the scheme with the theme back there. And so I grabbed the box yesterday because I was just doing whatever, and I read it back and I forgot totally that step by step. So hopefully you guys have seen my last video where I actually what was my last video? What was my last video before this? God. Hopefully you guys have seen my last video where I showed you guys how I did this half up, half down. If you have not seen it, go back and take a look and come back and catch up. You already know. Let's get started because the banjo's kicking in and we're here. So the product at hand, I am talking about the Fruit Babies, their bestseller kit. It's the Fruit Babies, meaning everything in my package is considered like a small size or a trial size. I didn't get the large size. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. This is the product at hand. And if you know Glow Recipe, their packaging is so like pretty. So this is what we're getting into. I hate to take off my face because I wanted to make a little bit more of a productive video when I did my face, but that's okay. Like, we have another day. We can do the video. It's like this video I've been anticipating that I've been talking about my other videos. That's the video that I'm talking about that I want to do already because my things from Shein came already and I just want to do it. But we're going to do this one first, and yeah. Now, initially, I was going to do this in the bathroom because obviously, right, I need water. I'm sitting at my vanity. There's no water. So when I do the first step, I'll just go to my sink. No worries. So they have it step by step like this. And I'm just going to go quickly in the order of packages received. The Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This, you guys, is a deep cleansing / makeup erasing tool. It is like this. Now, I just received another one of these in my Glossy Box. We'll get to Glossy Box. Actually, I want to do Glossy Box just a little bit and talk about it. That way I can put it in this video and it could be a little time consuming. So, this is the cleanser. This is step 1. Our second step is the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BP. Oh my god. PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. Oh my god, that was like everywhere. So this is step 2, the step I'll be doing, and I'm not going to speak when I do it. It's going to be voiceover. Of course, you already knew that by now. Our next step would be the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. That just sounds so delicious, y'all. Like, that just sounds like something I want to shoot right in my mouth. Our next step will be the Avocado Melt Retinol. Yeah, Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. And these packages are everything. It's so cute. It's just like a little trial, but I think their full size of this is not really that much bigger either, but that's neither here nor there. Our last step in all of this, which will be the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I love the idea of this because on the instructions it says that you can sleep in this and then wash it off. I love the idea of that. How cute. So those are the steps, you guys. We're going to get right into it right after this. I did want to mention, like I said, really quickly, I want to open my birthday glossy box because I took a break from glossy box, whatever, and so this is my newest one. I wanted to dive into it because it's so like everything. So really quickly before we take all of this off, I just want to get into the glossy box just very minutely, if you don't mind. That's if you don't mind. So we have the regular pink box, but these boxes are just everything. I will always talk about how I love their packaging. Like, it's everything. If you guys can see back there, that's where I put all my other boxes. So this will be going to the collection. They're all gathered together. So opening the box, it's just, I love this. Like, it's so like hard duty. What do you call it? Not hard duty. What do you call it when something's like sturdy? I don't know. So we have this card upon opening it, and it says August 10th birthday. I don't know if per se they're talking about their birthday or mine, because mine's August the 11th, but let's just say it's for me, okay? I love the inside of the lid of their box, bro. It's just everything. Oh my God, I love their boxes. Okay. It's feeling real light because I took everything out. Now, one of the items I did totally take out, and that's because I used it when I washed my hair, and it was a deep conditioner for your hair. Oh my God. The Benadryl. They put in, oh my God, I'm like being so horrible at this. Okay, so they have a full-size body lotion up in there. It is but I'm not even going to attempt to read this. It's just a full-size body lotion. Has no scent to it, which is fine, right? Then, as I've stated, there's that glow recipe I showed y'all. That is the same cleanser, that blueberry wash. So I was thinking about doing a giveaway and giving this away because I already have one, but I really don't want to do that. Like, I love the packaging, and just for that alone, I want to keep both. You get it. Okay, so they also had the car, or car. They also have the KAB product. They have these in their boxes a lot. The KAB company. I don't know what the fuck is going on here, but it's their lip oil. I love. Here, let me just pull it out. This is definitely everything. It's so cute. I love the packaging. It is a lip oil. I thought that putting it on my lips, I'm gonna get like that oily, like Vaseline greasy feel, but it's the total opposite. It's like the sticky, I don't know if y'all saw. See, it's sticky. My friend don't like it, but I totally like it. It makes my lips feel soft, and after it soaks in your lips, like, your lips are still soft. I know for me personally, I don't like wearing lip gloss because once it soaks in, it's gone. But they also have this aging cream. They send a lot of aging cream a lot, which is okay, I guess. But it's just Elemis anti-aging cream. Okay. And then last but not least, they have this little scrunchie. Should I open it? Yeah, let me open it. There we go. Looks like 3's in here. Oh, it's 3 of them. Oh, they're like this. Oh, when I do my giraffe pigtails, I'm gonna totally put one around each other. Like, these are so cute. They're scrunchies. They're stretchy, but not like, I'm not comfortable looping this around multiple times stretchy. But yeah. And leave a lotion on my vanity, putting it back, closing it up, putting the card back, and closing the box. Couple of disclaimers. I might have put in a little too much of the mask, this one, but I don't think so. I mean, I'm looking really glossy right now, but that's kind of the point, the cleanse. So just want to just say that we're totally done. I'm going to go to sleep now while I'm going to eat. I'm warming up my taco bowl Lamar got me. My stomach's growling like no other, but you wash this off in the morning. I just wanted to verbally say that to y'all. You wash this off in the morning, so I'm just going to record a quick clip of me washing it off before I go to work, giving you a thumbs up or thumbs down quickly to put in with this video. So I'm totally gonna cheat and end the video with me still with my makeup on as I do my outro, because like I just have to do it. So I'm totally cheating right now. So we have came to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for still being here. I took a break. I will talk about that later. Maybe I'll do a transparency video where nothing is expected. Like, it's not scripted or nothing. I'm just gonna vent to y'all. I will do that soon because I need that release. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section, have you used this specific kit? It does come packaged together as I stated, so let me know if you use Glow Recipe in general, or if you use this kit, and if you like it or not like it. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Also, let me know if you're knowledgeable about that Also, let me know if you're knowledgeable about the birthday box thing. Like, is it glossy box? I mean, I guess I can Google that, but I didn't say that my birthday was August 10th, so it might just be their birthday. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to a gym. And I will see you guys in my next video. I'm totally dry mouth and I hate that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh. Yo, you guys, I'm procrastinating. I ain't gonna lie, I'm procrastinating because I have not gotten cute in so long that I want to. What do I do? But for content purposes, oh my god, for content purposes, I'm just gonna do the first step live and in effect, and that is to take off your lashes. Let's take them off. I wouldn't recommend just ripping them off. I recommend using a rag and doing it that way, but I didn't put a lot of glue on it because I'm making content, so it really didn't bother me. Lashes off, let's get erasing.